Hi, this is Christine Crow here and welcome to my channel, and today's video is about I am recruiting for affiliates. Now imagine earning high ticket commissions every single month from this booming healthcare AI revolution. That's already being transforming clinics, care agencies, hospitals. This isn't just theory, this is actually live. And I want to share this with you so that you can come on board. Now, let me tell you about the market size, which I'm sure you're aware of, but I have to tell you, healthcare businesses around the world are under pressure. Staff shortages, rising costs, compliance, headaches. They're desperate for solutions that save time, money, and stress. And remember, they're also trying to cut down on agency staff. So we got to look at how we can fit into this in order for you to survive. And that is by providing either temporary or permanent solutions. But as an affiliate, you're on a win-win situation. So our AI agents, which I created 30 AI agents so far, and it is growing and getting massive every day. Now, our AI agents, they do exactly that, from automating recruitment, scheduling shifts, managing compliance, to patient follow-ups, all HIPAA compliant as well as GDPR compliant, depending on where you are around the world. We support clients in the UK as well as USA and Cyprus. This is really a ready plug and play model that I'm talking to you about today. Now, this is a 300 million market. However, McKinsey, very highly consultant firm, they are saying that by the end of 2025 that the market size for AI is going to go to $2.9 trillion by the end of 2025. Now, it's opening up faster, especially for the healthcare market. They're going to be the biggest beneficiaries. So even though the healthcare market kind of started off like the tortoise and the hare, now it's time for the healthcare market to really take over and transform and improve people's lives with better outcomes at the pace that should be delivered without causing stress, anxiety to the staff members as well as the clients receiving the care, for example. So this is faster than ever thanks to the latest AI breakthroughs. OpenAI just announced today that there's a new AI model which doesn't even need to be online, so it's also keeping people's information more confidential, especially when you're dealing with GDPR, HIPAA compliance, staff recruitment, for example. This is a win-win situation, and it can be run offline as well as online. So as an affiliate, you will earn 20% commission on every sale. Now, our packages range from 2,000 to 10,000 depending on the size of the organization, where we implement the AI systems into that organization's business, and the AI really takes after and looks after the business itself. So your commissions will range from 500 to 1,000, even 2,000 plus per deal, depending on the size of the organization. And the best part of it is that there are not just one-off commissions. Every client that stays with us for years, that means you get reoccurring monthly payouts. Yes, you heard me. Reoccurring monthly payouts you get every single month when a new sale comes in. So we've already onboarded a business client, for example, in the UK and the USA, and we're doing this every week. More are joining our AI developer team, which we're able to deliver everything. You focus on connecting us with the businesses and we'll handle the rest. You don't need to be a tech expert. We'll give you the full training, the Primo kit, the done for you email template, social media posts, and personal affiliate dashboard. Really all you need to do is have the link for them to book, and it will have your link so that we know it's coming from you. So you can track, you'll also be able to sign into your affiliate dashboard where you'll be able to see your earnings month on month and when you're going to get paid, for example, and who you referred to us as well. That is being worked on today because that is something which we have been discussing with our DevOps people, for example. So the commission you'll be able to see in real time. We only are taking a limited number of affiliates in each region to keep the market size fresh. That means if you want a slice of this to become involved, then now's the time to join. Click the link here to sign up as an affiliate and start building your income with your most exciting healthcare AI automation opportunity of the decade. Let's help you to help businesses, owners be stress-free. We are stressed. Healthcare businesses are stressed. They'll be able to serve more clients effectively. Patients will feel more happy, guided, and they'll be able to take on more clients and let you get paid for making it happy. Making them happy, making it happen. It's a win-win situation in the triangular effect, for example. So the link is here. I want you to click here to learn more about the Wealth Automation Affiliate Program. You'll be able to earn iTicket, it's reoccurring commission. It is for UK, USA, and Cyprus is also opening up. This is the first of this AI affiliate program that we're offering. So don't delay, click the link here, and I look forward to speaking with you live, joining us on the team. There'll even be a private Facebook group as well once you become an affiliate. You don't need any special skills, just need the training, and then you'll be able to get on, refer people, for example. I look forward to speaking with you very, very soon. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.